Hey, what's up everyone? So, what does painting in grayscale actually mean? Well, it simply means that you paint using shades of gray, ranging from white to black. So you are basically removing all the hue from the process, and the only thing you're left with is value. So you're basically painting in monochrome. Now the question is, why? Why should you be painting in grayscale? The main reason is that by removing the distraction of colors, you can focus more on value, which is the lights and the darks of the painting. The colors are actually not as important as you think. I mean, they can definitely help in creating more interest in your painting, but values are definitely more important if you want the forms of your subject to read better. Once you have defined the forms in your painting, you can literally put whatever color you want in it and it will work. Painting in grayscale can also help you refine your compositional skills. Without colors to rely on, you have to pay greater attention to the arrangement of shapes, lines and values to create a balanced and engaging composition. Grayscale painting can also help you make better thumbnails. What are thumbnails? Well, thumbnails are basically a simplified painting or sketch that you create in black and white, and the purpose of thumbnailing is to create multiple compositional ideas in a very short time. And if you like any of those ideas, you can turn it into a finished painting. Painting in grayscale can also help you save time because it is a faster way of painting. And that's exactly why many professional artists actually prefer starting their paintings in grayscale first, and only if they are satisfied with the composition do they add color to the painting. Honestly, it's not my preferred way of painting. I like painting with colors because it just feels more natural and satisfying to me. Just remember that there is no correct way of painting. You do what feels right to you. But I do believe that grayscale painting are a great way of doing value studies and are one of the best ways of improving your painting skills. Many beginner artists have this problem where their paintings look muddy and they blame their color, which might be the case, but in most cases it's the values that the problem. And value studies are the best way to fix that. So in conclusion, grayscale painting is a great way to improve your understanding of value, composition and light, and it also makes your process more efficient. Now you may decide to use it as your main creative process or as a tool for practice. Doesn't matter. What matters is that you should not ignore it. So yeah, this was it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.